Learn with Ishu.
Let's learn opposites.
This is a big balloon.
This is a small balloon. This is empty. This is full. The airplane is up. The car is down.
I am happy.
I am sad.
Hey, this is fast.
This is slow. This is loud. This is quiet. This is day. This is night. This is hot. This is cold.
This is tall.
This is short.
This is wet.
This is dry.
This is clean.
This is dirty. Yay! We learned opposites. See you next time.